Good morning. Welcome to my things to do. Today is National Nutella Day. Oh, my mother's German, so I grew up with this stuff, and so did my children. I can tell you already that kids love to think that they're eating chocolate sandwiches. I don't know why, but Nutella's made with hazelnut, and it really does taste good. Today is National Nutella Day, so I thought I'd wake up and do something that I've never done before, which is make crepes. So we're going to make some crepes with Nutella, and I'm going to put in some fresh blackberries and some fresh raspberries as well. So let's get started with that. The first thing you want to do is you want to make your favorite pancake mix, however you make your pancake mix. Whatever you use to make your pancake mix, use that. And you're going to make it thinner than you normally would make that. Okay, so you want to make your batter thinner than you would for your pancakes. I got this pretty thin. I'm using my half cup measuring cup, but it's only to pour this out. I'm going to pour out about 1/4 of a cup into my pan. I've already sprayed a non-stick spray into my pan. And let's get that swirling around in there. See how that swirls around? You want it to coat the entire bottom of the pan. About as good as I'm going to be able to coat that. Go ahead and let that cook on one side, and then we'll flip it over to the next side. Here's the part that's going to kind of be tricky for me. That's that flipping part. Ah, don't curl up on me. There's got to be an easier way to do this. Haha, got it flipped. And it's nice and a little golden brown on that side. Yay! I know it's not perfectly round. It is my first crepe, so you shall forgive me for this, won't you? I'm sure with practice I will be much better at this. I never even thought of having Nutella crepes before, but this may be my thing to do every morning now. Good. I think it's ready. Awesome. Get that over into my plate. Right, so let's spread some Nutella on here. Yum. Fold this like a crepe should look. Some berries on top. And voila. Oops. My first crepe. Let's try this out. I know I'm going to like it because I like Nutella. National Nutella Day. Why don't you go online, look up Nutella recipes, have a wonderful Nutella day today. Start it off by making some Nutella crepes, because these are fantastic. And your kid's going to think that you're giving them chocolate for breakfast. They're going to love you for it. Nutella crepes. My thing to do today. Make it your thing to do too. Bye.